Hello everybody, hope each of you are doing well. My name is Troy McClelland, and during my time as a USD Torero football player, I was involved with the ATPF mentor program. The program meant a lot to me, still is near and dear to my heart, and my relationship with the Hickey family has only gotten stronger as years have gone on, and it's fascinating to see how fast time goes and to see how quickly Levi, my buddy, has grown up, as well as Lawson. The program was very impactful during my time at USD. Obviously, we're all focused on getting the best grades possible to earn the degree, as well as winning games and championships on the field. But the program really reminded me of what really matters in life, and that's relationships, and that's putting smiles on other people's faces, and that warm-hearted feeling you get when you just see those smiles from the kids and the enjoyment that we all shared, whether it was at our practices or after the games when the program was out there supporting us, and with all the beautiful signs up in the stands behind the Torero sideline. A memory that stands out to me would have to be the Winter Wonderland event that was held at USD over the years. Always had so much fun with Levi during that time, and just obviously an exciting time of the year with Christmas and culmination of what were typically successful seasons down there at USD. But I loved seeing Santa, all the arts and crafts and holiday activities and the sweets and all the good food. So that's something that stands out to me. And I keep in touch with the Hickey family. I do my best to stay in the loop with what's going on at ATPF. John keeps me up to speed, and it sounds like the program is doing some exciting things and continuing to grow, and I look forward to being a part of it for life. Thank you so much.